What if I told you you can just create viral UGC ads, realistic spokesperson video, and high converting TikTok creatives without hiring actors, booking studios, or spending hundreds of dollars? I know that would sound crazy, right? Well, AI has completely changed the game. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create incredibly realistic user-generated content videos and professional ads in just minutes using AI. All you need is just a simple text prompt, or even better, a product URL. Whether you are running an e-commerce store, promoting affiliate products, growing a brand, or creating content for your clients, this tool can help you generate attention-grabbing videos faster than ever before. By the end of this video, you will know how to create AI-powered UGC ad that looks authentic, boost engagement, and save you both time and money. Let's jump right in.
Now in this our video, we have UGCvideo.ai, which is a platform which you can use to create UGC video ads with the power of AI in minutes, and this will make you stop hiring actors. I'm not saying you should kick away actors completely, but this will speed up your content creation, your UGC videos ads in minutes. And if you use UGCvideo.ai video generator to generate realistic talking head videos for commercial ads and TikTok and other social media creatives, all you need to do is just simply type text and paste your products, or you paste your product URL, and there you go. And you can see it is stated here, the ultimate AI UGC video and ad generator. No need to hire expensive actors anymore. Use our AI engine to create realistic talking head videos for e-commerce and TikTok. Simply enter your script and paste the product link, and that's it. Of course, this is a very good platform. A very good platform for you to use. You can see over here, you can see the pictures as well, you can see the images, you can see you can customize your image, your product as well. Okay, let's go. I'm just testing something. Okay, as you can see, you can customize your avatar, your realistic AI avatar and influencer as well. You can create unique spokesperson for your brand, from boss shot to full body display, every details. And you see, don't let your ads look like AI. Choose real imperfections. Okay, what they are trying to say is that the ads creatives this platform UGCvideo.ai gives is very realistic. Okay, why choose UGCvideo.ai for your commercial generation? Why choose it? Okay, you can see it's a one-click influencer creation. You can start building your AI influencer with a simple description image, whether starting from scratch or cloning a style, or start with a description tool to make it very foolproof. Okay, that's all, and let's log in. You can sign up. It's very easy to sign up and activate your account. And right now I'm in, as you can see. Okay, let me see. Let's create a character here. I already have my characters here. If you want to create a character, you click down here, click here, you use the character, you click it. Once you click it, you'll be able to create a character. Okay, let's see. And you also have chances to choose character from the community character. These are so many faces, talking head faces, but you can create your character. You can select an image. As for me, I've selected an image I have on my desktop. You just click select an image right here, or you can describe your character and the AI will give you a character, or you can build your character as well, or you have your influencer generator over here. Let's select our image from here. Of course, this is the one I did. This is me. All you need to do is just to upload that image. Let me try again with one. Okay, let me try with this lady here. There's a picture right here. There's a lady picture I have on my desktop. Let me try it here. Okay, I'm uploading the picture right now. Of course, you see it's loading. Okay, this is my reference image, and I can add additional angles up to 3 for better results. I can add additional. Yes, that's okay. Okay, let me give my character a name. So I can tell us about the character story. Okay, that one is optional. I can now choose an AI model to generate. I like GPT-2 because it's more realistic. So let me generate. Okay, let me say, tell us a character story. Let's see how this comes out. I want to use, so this time I'll make her hold a beauty product like a let me see, because she's female. Let me see which one. Okay, you can see us, you can see now, you can see how beautiful. Okay, now let's go to add video. Add my influencer. Let me add this, let me add my product. Of course. Let me put my prompt here, right here. Okay, let me add a voice. English, young, excited, pleasant, friendly, cheerful. Okay, and let's generate this.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is how
Okay
our
guys,
video. Now,
stop scrolling. I think I just
this time.
found the absolute perfect red lip. Look at this applicator. The color is so intensely pigmented.
Wow.
Just one swipe and oh my gosh, wow. Look at these details. The formula is unbelievably smooth, glides on flawlessly with zero stickiness. Plus, it survives my coffee dates. I have had it on for hours and it still looks flawless. Seriously, you need this in your makeup bag right now. Trust me. Okay guys,
Wow, that was beautiful. That's beautiful. You see, the AI knows exactly what the product is about, and the AI, I didn't even write anything like a script for her to read out. It just tells, the AI just read, it just gives you the script about the product. So you see how UGC Video AI is a very good platform to use to do your UGC commercial ads. Okay, let's see UGC image. Let's see this part. Okay, this is my account. Okay, let me see, let me choose this. Combine digital human, this is my prompt, and product into a brand new scene. Use our image to tag character or product of image within my product. Let me see. This is my product here. You can see in the yoga class or working somewhere or whatever you want. Let me see this, let me see this, let me see how it goes. Outputs. Let's see this. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, let me go to UGC video. Let me choose a character. Let me choose myself this time. Okay, I'm holding a phone. Okay, I want him now to unbox this Samsung. Let me add my character. Samsung S series. Something on against equation. Okay, now let's go again.
A few minutes later.
And here is our ads, and of course if you check where, you can see we are using Kling. So we are using Kling as our model, and Kling is very good in generating realistic video. Of course, you also have option to use seedance and seedance too fast, but we use clean in this, and let's check our video. Wow, that's crazy. That's good. That's good.
Well, that's how to create AI powered UGC ad that looks authentic, boost engagement, and save you both time and money. If you want to sign up, use the link in the description below to sign up. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and for more AI marketing and content creation tutorials, and turn on notification as well, so you never miss the latest tools that can help you grow faster. Thanks, and see you on the next one. Bye. Peace.